In this video, I will show you how to edit faster using Recut's timeline tools. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. If you would like to zoom in on your timeline, simply put both fingers on your trackpad and move them outward. And if you would like to zoom out, do the same thing but in reverse order. So have your fingers apart on your trackpad and slowly move them together. If you would like to play or pause the video, simply press Spacebar to play and Spacebar again to pause it. If you would like to make a manual cut to a video on your timeline, you can highlight it and simply press B, and your video will now be cut. You can then move the clips apart. If you would like to make edits on specific areas, you can move the arrow key to move by frames. And if you would like to move by 1 second, simply press Shift and your cursor will move by a second. So if I need to make a specific cut by 3.5 seconds, I can simply move my arrow to the right. And once I have found my desired place, I simply press B, and now I have made a cut in that area. If you made a mistake and you would like to undo that, simply press Ctrl Z and you will undo that mistake. If you would like to redo that, simply press Command Shift Z and it will redo it. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.